Hello everybody, Smith LC back again. I have a quick baseball break, and I mean quick, 2015 Topps High Tech Baseball. Got 8 cards per box with 1 autograph. I'm not sure of all the parallels, so if I find one after the video, I'll plug it in there. It's coming in 1 pack. Alright, like I said, I do not know all the parallels. I know a couple of them, but not all the short print ones. There's a Nomar. Great looking cards again this year. There's the back, a little bit of stats on the back. A nice one to get right now. Jacob deGrom. Pablo Sandoval. Oh, circuit parallel or something like that. Alright. And I got a purple Micah Johnson. And I don't see a numbering on the purple. Hank Aaron. I really like the design this year, I have to say. A little added color. Joe Mauer. Herrera rookie. And not the greatest autograph in my box, but a Garrett Richards. That's numbered to 99. So at least it is numbered. Oh, nice on card. Good looking autograph. That's it for Topps Tech. Thanks for watching.